Imagine the vibrant energy of London merging with the refined aesthetics of high fashion, and you have Emma's look for the evening. Her scarlet sweater, a bold choice from the Rose Fall 2024 collection, hugged her frame just enough to hint at a playful schoolgirl charm, while still maintaining an air of sophistication. Beneath the vibrant sweater, she wore a blue Oxford shirt, its crispness and classic lines adding a perfect contrast to the vivid red. The combination of colors was not only visually stunning, but also a subtle nod to traditional school uniforms, reimagined for a modern fashionista. The real showstopper, however, was her choice of bottoms. Emma Stone's slightly flared black capris were a masterstroke, blending the timeless elegance of the row with a hint of retro flair. Capris, those versatile staples of the 90s and early 2000s, have been making a quiet comeback. Once the epitome of casual chic, they've found a new home on high-fashion runways and city streets alike. Emma Stone's London outing is more than just a style moment. It's a reminder that fashion is about reinvention and playfulness. By blending a nostalgic silhouette with modern elements, she showcased the endless possibilities of personal style. So take a cue from Emma and let your wardrobe be a canvas where the old and new merge to create something truly extraordinary.